Yo! First order of the day, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $10, going 6 miles, 5 items. Two of those.
Well, some of it was helped by we need to stop some of the immigration though too. But that's been a big part of the stealing, the drugs, the sex trafficking, all of it. It's all combined into all of it.
Oh, yeah, crazy. I don't know. Yeah, everything's so crazy now. Hi.
Hello. It says just leave the food on the door and ring the doorbell and leave. Curious why they had to add that last bit. Just got the next order. This is Champ Pizza going 7 miles.
Jesse.
Thank you. Total ended up being $9 and change. Distance was kind of high on that, so not that great, but whatever. Next order up, we've got a Gravity Coffee, $8, going 2.5 miles. As long as they whip this up in a timely manner, it should be a good order, but given their history, I'm not too convinced. Oh no, I see one car waiting so far. 2 cars.
All right, brother man. Take it easy, boss.
Well, they actually had more than one person working this time, so that changes everything. Wasn't too long of a wait. Of course it's upstairs. Why wouldn't it be upstairs? Next up, Black Rock Coffee going 3.5 miles. Brother, look at all these cars. Like, why? Just imagine sitting in line that long. Total ended up being $5 for that one. And we got the next order. This is gonna be Burger King going 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Zero tip there. Gotta love that. Looks like we've got a stack order coming in. Taco Bell and Wendy's. Oh, this is a recipe for disaster, but sure. Going just under 8 miles. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, you?
I'm just fine. Thank you so much.
You are.
Have a
good
nice
day.
day.
You too. I always think to myself, what would happen if somebody actually closed their gate on me before I left? I'd probably panic, to be honest. Total ended up being just under $17. Not bad, I guess. Took me about half an hour to do, so that's pretty good actually, yeah. Just got the next order. This is Muchas Gracias going 8.5 miles. Jeez.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total ended up being $11 for that one. Not really what I was looking for, because I'm also in the middle of nowhere right now. Finally got the next order. This one's going to be an alcohol pickup. This one, the mileage is just dumb. It's going 10 miles and it's pretty much leaving me in the middle of nowhere again, so might as well add another 10 miles on the way back. So what are the odds that I make $20 out of this? Total ended up being $15, so not really worth it, but at least we got the next order right away. This one's gonna be McDonald's, going 6 miles. Bad part about it, that it's taking me even further away from where I wanna be, so kind of screwing myself by taking these orders, huh? Ooh, that was a good tip. Total ended up being $13 for that one. Thank you. I'm 20 miles away from my home, so I'm just gonna call it here. I'm not gonna take any orders on the way back. Current time is 10:49. Total, we are at $95. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.